Welcome to Cooking at Home with New Zealand Creamery. This is Chef Jack Laudico. So today we're making Queensland Butter coffee cake. We're also going to top it with some chocolate swirls and bake it in hollowed out orange cups. So it's gonna take on the sweet taste of the orange, and it goes very well with the coffee and the chocolate. So today we're here in Baguio. Actually, we're in the middle of Camp John Hay, and it's a very beautiful place, and it's one of our favorite destinations here in the Philippines. That all the baking powder and the baking soda is mixed well. This will make sure that the cake will have a rise, because it's a very heavy cake because of the richness of the butter. So, we start with beating the butter. It's just room temperature. You want to beat the butter until it's light and fluffy. When the butter is pale, you can add the sugar. In between mixing, you need to scrape the butter. When the butter and sugar is well mixed, you can add the eggs. When the egg is well mixed, you can add the strong coffee. And the milk. To get a strong coffee mix, I poured like 1.5 cups of boiling water on 1/2 cup of freshly grounded Sagada Arabica coffee. After that, I mixed it and let it sit for like 30 minutes, and I drained it. Okay. After that, add the flour. You can add the flour in 3 batches. Once you add the flour, just mix it enough because you don't want the gluten to be developed. The gluten is the protein of the flour, and it makes the flour or the cake tough. So this is now our Queensland coffee cake batter. And we'll now put it inside these cups. I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees C, and this will cook in around 15 to 20 minutes. Remember that this cake will have a good tendency to rise because aside from the baking soda and the baking powder, there's also a lot of butter. And butter has water aside from the milk fats. So when you bake it and it's subjected to heat, it creates steam, and it will push also the cake to rise. Now I will add some chocolate swirls. This is just melted dark chocolate. Now, our coffee cake in orange cups is ready to bake. This will bake for around 15 to 20 minutes. So after around 20 minutes, the cake is done baking inside the orange cup. You can garnish it with some confectioner sugar and some fresh mint. So here now is our Queensland Butter coffee cake baked inside orange cups. It smells so good with the butter, the orange, the Sagada coffee, and the chocolate swirls I topped it with. This is Chef Jack Laudico for Cooking at Home with New Zealand Creamery.